What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape leads automatically using Codex and export the leads as a CSV file. So let's get started. To scrape the leads, I'm going to create a skill that is going to be responsible for scraping our leads for us. To create the skill, I'll click on skills right here. And then here I'm going to click on new skill. Then use a skill creator to create our skill. So we're going to use to scrape our leads. The prompt could be on the lines of, using the skill creator, create a reusable automation skill that scrape leads from online directories and company listing website where the system accepts a target URL and optional filters such as industry, location, or keyword, then automatically collects and extracts structured data, including business name, email address, phone number, and exports the final dataset into a clean CSV file ready for CRM or outreach use. To create the skill, I'll hit send right here. So let's give it a second or two for it to create our skill. We told Codex to create our skill for us that will be responsible for scraping our leads. So it created the reusable skill right here. That includes a business lead scraper, Python scripts, scraping pattern to MD file. And here you can see that the skill is valid. Here is the skill. And it also scraped sample leads for us and added to the CSV file. This is incredible. So now we need to go to the skills tab. You can search for our skill. So our skill is this skill right here. Scrape our leads to be added straight into CRM. This is incredible. So now with our skill created, we can proceed and use the skill to scrape our leads. To do that, I'll search for our skill, choose business lead scraper right here, and use this skill to scrape our leads. Using the skill, we can tell Codex, scrape 10 SaaS companies in the United States and export the results into a CSV file containing the business name, email address, phone number, website URL, location, industry or category, and a verification column indicating whether each business is confirmed as a SaaS company. So now to scrape the leads using our skill in Codex, I'll hit send right here. You can see it successfully scraped 10 SaaS companies from the US, and added the leads to this CSV file right here. To open it, I'll just click open right here to preview the leads. You can expand it right here, and you can see our 10 leads. So now here you can see the business name, the email address, phone number, website URL, the address, city, country, industry, category, if the verification matches, the verification notes, and the source URL right here. This is incredible. This is awesome. So using our skill, which was business lead scraper, Codex successfully scraped these 10 SaaS companies from the US automatically. You can see over here with the data. This is incredible. So now instead of scraping 10, you can go as high as you want. You can scrape hundreds of leads, thousands of leads, or tens of thousands of leads if you want. Right here. So we can try scraping different leads using our skill. Like we did previously, we're going to use our skill. So I'll search for the business lead scraper skill that we just created right here and tell Codex, use this skill to scrape 10 verified digital marketing agencies based in the United States from online directories and company websites and export the results into a CSV file containing the business name, email address, phone number, website URL, and the location. Also include the industry or category and the verification column indicating whether each business is confirmed as a digital marketing agency based on the services or website content. To scrape the leads, I just hit send right here. So that is scrapes the leads for us. Here you can see it successfully scraped our leads for us and verified the leads. This is incredible. It also exported the leads into the CSV file. So I'll click on open right here to preview our leads. Expand it right here. And you can see our 10 digital marketing agencies right here. After organizing our leads here, you can see their business name, email address, phone number, website URL, their address, city, country, industry category, verification match, verification notes, the source URL right here. This is incredible. So the verification notes are to verify that these leads are digital marketing agencies. As you can see for this one, the official site identifies disruptive as performance and digital marketing agency, and the official terms page leads hello disruptiveadvertising.com, and official address as a marketing agency. This is incredible. This is awesome. So using Codex, we successfully scraped our leads and added the leads into this CSV file right here. This is incredible. So we successfully scraped the leads using these lead scraper skill. We can try scraping 10 more leads. As an example, to scrape the leads, we're going to use our skill. So I'll search for a skill right here. Choose the skill and tell Codex. Using this skill, scrape 10 verified e-commerce businesses based in the United States from online directories and company websites and export the results into a CSV file. The list should contain all these details. To scrape the leads using Codex, I'll just hit send right here to scrape the leads using our skill. Right here. Let's give it a minute or two for you to complete scraping the leads. You can go as high as you want. We're just using 10 as our example, as an example. Yeah, you can see it successfully scraped and verified our leads. Successfully scraped the 10 e-commerce businesses right here. This is incredible. So you verify the leads against official companies, official company contact, product, contact and product pages, and public profiles, and then add it to the CSV file. So now to preview our leads, I'll click on open right here to open our leads. You can expand it right here, and here you can see our 10 commerce businesses that is scraped for us right here. This is incredible. You can see the e-commerce 10 e-commerce businesses that Codex successfully scraped for us. You can see their business name, email address, phone number, website URLs, the address, city, country, industry category. They've been verified that they're e-commerce businesses. You can also see the verification notes and the source URL right here. This is incredible. So we successfully scraped these 10 e-commerce businesses using our skill right here that we created in Codex. Now you can use this skill and continue improving it to scrape an unlimited number of leads. Now, if you'd like help automating manual processes that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual processes for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you've subscribed to this channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.